Hello all, today I am going to do technical analysis on the meme coin, the Shiba Inu, which is on the Binance coin. So let's get started. The first thing first is we will draw the horizontal support and resistance lines from the higher time frame perspective and see what information we get on a weekly chart. Let me draw the horizontal resistance. This is horizontal resistance from where the price went till 3678. So I will mark this level as a weekly. Another weekly level is this one, the newly fresh created level. This is I will mark as a weekly level. The another level which I can see is very far is this one. So I have drawn the uh, weekly level support and resistance, and if price hold this weekly level, then we can always rotate to the next weekly level. If price break this weekly level, then we can rotate to the next weekly level. And now, as you can see from higher time frame perspective, we are in a bull market, like we are giving the higher high, higher lows. So this is information from the weekly perspective. Let's go to the daily and see what information we get. uh, yeah uh, this is one of the daily level from where the price got a reaction. I will mark this level as a daily. The another daily level is this one, from where price reacted and went all the way till 553 region, and after that it again act as a resistance here and it broke through, then again retest here, and now again we are moving from this level. So this is a very strong level in my opinion. So as of now, in the context, I have drawn the daily level which is near to the price action. The another daily level is this one. I can find from where the price got the reaction. So within the within this context, we can see that price giving the higher high and higher lows. Yeah, this is higher high, higher lows. Now, the second step is we have to find the confluence around this horizontal support and resistance line, so that we can get into the trend, and we expect another high because it's a strong uptrend as of now. Uh, what I can do, I will hide this level as of now. Higher time frame levels, I will group into one folder. Okay, so I did this part, and currently price is near to the this support. I will find whether I can get any confluence around this region or not. The first thing I always do is draw the Fibonacci retracement and see whether this region is aligned with any of the level or not. So let's draw it. Uh, this is where from where the uptrend started. I will take the low point as a starting point, and the end point is this one. See here, we can find the Fibonacci retracement confluence with the weekly level. The 61.8 region, it's aligned with the weekly level. That's why we got a bounce around 40, 45 or 40, 46% bounce. Let's see if we have any other confluence around this region. Let me draw the anchor VWAP from start of the trend till here. The anchor VWAP also align around this region, the weekly level confluence, and as you can see, the price from here went down heavily. Now it broke through, and now it's just a back test of this level. So this is a very strong level in my opinion. So now we found out that this is good region to bet, and I wanted to get into the trend. So what I can do now, I will go to the lower time frame and see whether we got any market structure change or not. I will go to the 15 for 45 minutes chart. uh, let's see what information we get here. uh, yeah, from this point we can see we have a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. From this lower high, price went down and again it's broke through. Now we have a new higher high compared to this lower high. So now on the lower time frame the market structure got changed. So I think we have all the criteria met to get into the trend. What I can do here, in the lower time frame, I will draw the Fibonacci retracement from the start of the trend to the to this point, and 61.8 region is around this level. And let me see if I can find any other confluence around this region or not. I think we have some confluence around this region on lower time frame. This region, yeah. See, this region, it was acting, this region acting as resistance. Previously price went down, price broke through, then again it was acting as a resistance. Now here, if price come back to this region which is also confluence with the 61.8, I think I will get into the trend. uh, yeah, what I can do, I will take a long position here, uh, and the stop loss I will keep just below this low level, because this is a lowest low is created on the weekly time frame, and I will aim for the next rotation to the weekly level. So this is what I can get from the swing trading perspective idea. The risk to reward is also good here. uh, I think this is a very good bet on the Shiba coin. I hope this is helpful. Thanks a lot for watching. Cheers.